So we would like to take your blessings also. So please, back to you. Principal ma'am, you there?
Hello. Thank you, Rahul, for inviting me. Hello,
Thank
are
you,
you
ma'am.
hearing?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. And all these kids have done the wonderful job, and their imagination is very amazing. They took me to the in the next world, and I'm very surprised to see their imagination and their hard work, whatever they have done. Mainly Ishika, Ishani, Arav, and the kids, I forget his name. I think he's only in class second. He had
Yeah,
made he had done very good job. Thank you for inviting me, and God bless all of them, and I bless them for their good future. Thank you once
thank you.
again.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Yes, good evening. And I would really want to thank everyone for giving the kids a wonderful learning platform and building their confidence. Although it was totally new for them, but they were made so comfortable and such a beautiful learning environment was provided that really boosted their confidence. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. All credit goes to students, right? And by the way, Namrata ma'am is teacher by profession. She very well understand how teaching profession is, and thank you so much, ma'am, giving us such a
Thank
kind
you.
word. But it's all your effort, parents effort, giving the opportunities to the students and understand what our next generation needs from a 21st century readiness skills perspective, right? So thank you so much to you also, and especially credit goes to kids and the team who is really working with me. Thank you. So now I would let Ashish, Mr. Ashish, to give us some guidance because he's industry expert, and I especially invited him to see how we are doing, and so that he can guide us, right, and give us some, say some good words to our kids. I mean, the way he see, Mr. Ashish.
Yeah, thanks, Rahul, for inviting me. It's a pleasure to be here with so much of talent all around. I am really surprised beyond my imagination that what kind of a talent and creativity, imagination kids has demonstrated. And what really attract me is like this creativity, imagination, along with the technology, is creating such a beautiful visualization, right? And that too at this very young age. Hats off to everybody who put together these things and train these kids, and to the kids, to the parents. Like what the output is really amazing. Like I'm very confident that when these people, these kids reach to a age when industry started to leverage their talent, they will really create wonders. Couple of things I have noted I would like to share with everybody. Basically, like one was the error handling. I think that was Arav, which I heard for the first time. We all talk about the positive scenarios and other things, but it's good to see that someone at that age, and that too when the programming is quite new, they are able to talk about what is not, what if things are not going as expected, right? How do I gracefully handle that? Amazing stuff, Arav. Good job. Similarly, Akshat has done terrific job when it comes to implementing a game, right? I can't imagine myself even playing that game at that young age, where he has really come up with the like implementation of game, and at the same time different level of difficulty. Amazing. Uh, Ka- uh, Kavash, I think. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong.
It's Kavish.
Kavish, yeah, thanks, Kavish. The way, the confidence he showed, and the knowledge of the robots, and it's not limited to the program, but how the knows and hows, and how to connect it and how to translate it. It's amazing. Difficulty level again beyond my imagination. Cool job, Kavish, really well. I really like everybody. Every kid has done a fantastic job, and like when it comes to storytelling, I think girl kids take that. Ishani, Ishika, Ridhima, all done a beautiful visualization by telling a story. Great job, everybody. Thank you for inviting me. It's my honor actually to be here.
Thank you,
Over to
Ashish.
you,
Thank
Rahul.
you. We need good words and the guidance from the experts like you, so that our next generation can really. I mean, it's very easy for them. They don't know what they're doing, but we know what they are capable of.
Yeah, exactly.
Because when we
You
used to
know.
be a kid, right? I mean, we can't even think of right
Yes,
what these
that's
guys,
true.
these kids are doing. They're amazing. You very well said. Thank you so much, Ashish,
My pleasure.
being with us today. Right. All right. So now I would like